Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox on your Xbox and opening the avatar editor. This gives you direct control. Make sure the accessories you want are owned and marked as equipable on console, because some PC-only items won't show. Once signed in, navigate to the Accessories tab and select the slot you want to change. This is important because Xbox maps controls differently. Pause to confirm each item appears in the list. Before moving to now you choose slots one by one. Start with head, then face, then back, because order affects layering. You press the equip button for each accessory and watch how Roblox applies layers. Hats can override hair, so pick hair-friendly hats when needed. If two items conflict, remove the lower priority item and re-equip in the correct sequence. Once done, use the preview to move and inspect items, ensuring they sit correctly on your avatar before saving changes. Finish by saving your avatar and immediately entering any game to confirm accessories appear in play. This verifies Xbox synchronization. If items fail to show, sign out and back in or clear the Roblox cache. This forces a refresh. Make sure to single out any accessory causing conflicts and re-equip everything in order, because sequential application fixes most layering bugs. If problems persist, try replacing the item with a similar one to isolate compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.